My name is Jack Stewart. I am going to show you how to create a file directory tree, a password to protect your computer, and I'm going to also show you how to change the video player for different type of formats of videos. And the reason I know all this because I have 12 years of experience of working on computers. So you come down here to Documents, and of course this is Windows 7, and there's my documents. Most of all of these is my software. So I'm going to right click, go down here to New. I'm going to pop up a new window, and I will click on Folder, and there's the new folder right there. I'm going to label it Software, and I'm going to add a 2 behind it because I already have one now that says Software by itself, and I'm going to hit Enter, and that will add me another folder. Then I can come into the folder. Then I can right click again, come back to New. Then I will add another folder inside that one folder, and I can type in Websites, and I will hit Enter after that. Well, this will allow me to put all of my websites into this one folder. Because I will come here, and I will click the bottom one. I will scroll up to the top. I will hold Shift, and I will click on the top. As you see, all of them are highlighted. I will left click on the mouse, drag it down, and drop it into the software folder, and the one I made. And of course I have a message here, and of course I'm going to skip it, and I'm going to skip the second one because I have a lot of duplicate folders and everything. Then I will go inside Software 2, and here's two of my websites right here, and I'm going to hold Control, click this one, and I'm going to click this one. Then I'm down here at the website right here. I'm going to click, drag and drop it into here, and this will give me a second branch on a second folder into these. And then I can just click on here, and there's my files for that secondary folder. Now I'm going to close out all this, and I'm going to show you how to create a password for your computer. You come down here to Start menu, come up to the Control panel. Of course, keep in mind this is Windows 7. I go to User Accounts. Here's the user account right here. And up on the user account it says create a password for your account. You click on create password. Currently I have no password on my computer. Right now I'm just going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you confirm it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you really don't need a hint, but if you think you might forget it, definitely create a hint. And I'm going to click Create Password. Okay? And now when you restart your computer, and at the startup screen, when it shows, or supposed to show you a name, you're going to type in that password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's so if you have more than one account, people cannot log into your name. And the last one's going to be changing the video player for the different formats. I currently have several different type of video players. So I'm going to go back to my documents. I'm going to come down here to videos. And right here up under this presentation right here, it currently shows it's Windows Media Audio. Well, you right click on it. You come up, and it should have an option that says Open With, and there's your several different type of players you can choose from. And if you see something that it will not play, you come down here to say Choose Default Program, and it's going to come up with another separate window. If you still don't see nothing here up under Other Programs, then you can go to Browse if you downloaded something to play it, and you come here, then you find the player which of course all of mine's installed and able to play. And you just come down through here and find the type of video player that you got. Then you can just click on it, and then that will be your default video player from now on for that format. But currently, right now, I can play all of my videos just by using that. And here's one right here, the SWF. Of course, my Adobe Flash Player is installed, but let's say I want to open it up with Internet Explorer. See, I only have two options on this one, is Internet Explorer, which I can use the internet to play it, or I can use Adobe Flash Player. Then I'm going to hit the back button, and here is an AVI file. And I come down here to open with, and it gives me a long list of media players I can use to play my videos. And I like using Windows Media Player if possible. Sometimes I don't have a choice to use others. So the best thing to do is keep in mind of what type of video you try to watch. And after that should be it. Then you'll be able to watch anything you want on any computer as long as you got them options. Just keep in mind, don't have too many of them, because too many will slow down your computer. Thank you.